If you could just understand this one concept, you will make a lot of money. The Federal Reserve just cut interest rates by 1/4 a percentage point. That means more people are going to take out loans. That means there's more money going into the economy, and stocks and crypto will increase in value, but it gets way better than that. You know, we've been talking about it. It gets even crazier than that. Let me show you. If you look a little bit deeper on the Federal Reserve website, you can just Google it. They don't just talk about interest rates. Everybody looks for interest rates. They're like, okay, are they going to cut interest rates? What are they doing? And they only look for the FOMC statement that comes out and tells you about interest rate policy. Yes, that's good, but I don't know if you guys knew this. It's a 2-day event. And the day before, they actually release economic projections, and they project what they're going to do with interest rates in the future. So you can literally know before the crowd. I want you to take a look at right here, this section right here. This is 2025. And look at what I highlighted. That says 3.6. They just cut from 4.5 to 4.25. They just went down 0.25 basis points, which is like the smallest cut imaginable. But they're saying at the end of the year, it should be 3.6. That pretty much tells us there will be another interest rate cut by the end of the year. Not only that, but they were telling us that they will continue to cut throughout the years. Now, they don't really get accurate when you go super far in the future. But the point is that they are cutting interest rates on a consistent level. They're consistently injecting liquidity back into the market. And if you don't understand anything about markets, they're all momentum based. It's not going to just start today. The bull market's not going to start today because they cut interest rates. That's not how this works. What's going to happen is they're going to keep cutting. And then people are going to really catch on. And then the liquidity is going to come into the market. And momentum's going to pick up. And so if you're patient, this right here is so valuable. So this is a small interest rate cut. But the point is that it's starting an avalanche of interest rate cuts. And nobody really knows about it. Towards the end of the year, we're going to get probably another interest rate cut. And it will continue into 2026. That momentum, all the money will flow into crypto and stocks, okay? The combination's crazy, and I also explained in my previous reel about specifically the flywheel effect that will happen specifically in crypto because of the stablecoin regulation that came out. Stablecoin regulation basically duplicates all money. So this small basis cut is duplicated and amplified by this stablecoin, the Genius Act that just passed. So yeah, watch that video too. It's going to get crazy. I hope you guys are paying attention because at this point, I don't know how many times I got to tell you this.